Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram failed to send problem. If you're trying to send messages, photos, or videos on Instagram, but they won't send, this guide will help you. If the issue still isn't fixed, press and hold the Instagram app, tap app info, then go to storage and clear the app's cache. You can also force stop the app. If that doesn't help, uninstall Instagram and reinstall the latest version from the Play Store or App Store. After reinstalling, log back into your account and try sending your messages or videos again. If you're still getting the same error, take a screenshot of the problem. Then open Instagram, tap the three-line menu, go to Help, and report a problem. Attach the screenshot and describe that you're experiencing the failed to send issue. Since many users are reporting this problem, Instagram is more likely to fix it quickly. Finally, wait a little while and try again later, especially if the issue is caused by Instagram's servers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.